I have a confession to make. I have an addiction to gear shopping. Are you like me that comes across a notification from your phone? I actually have two phones, my laptop and my desktop. I get a notification from B&H Deal Zone every night, and I'm quite excited to see what they have on special. I must say, I've been purchasing through Deal Zone for 5, 6, 7 years now. I can't quite remember. And most of my gear, my storage are most likely purchased through Deal Zone. In my room here, in my storage, are pretty much Deal Zone. The lighting here, camera movement, camera accessories, grip, a lot of that was from Deal Zone. And the stand that's holding this camera is from Deal Zone. So thanks, Deal Zone. So every day I come across my notification. So here's Deal Zone already. So I already opened it. And tonight I figured, hey, wouldn't it be an interesting idea to actually do a Deal Zone video? So I'm a bit late on this one, but this caught my eye. I mostly purchase light for my impulse buying, but there's moments where I will purchase other things, but it's generally lighting. So this came across my radar, and instantaneously I was intrigued. So before I buy anything, I do my research to see what the general masses out there think about it. If there's not much comments or questions regarding this light, I will do a search on YouTube. So I did that tonight, and I searched on YouTube. Came across one video. I looked at his video, and I saw this guy who's doing the video on that one. Am I gonna buy it? After analyzing, after looking at bills, there is a sense of impulse in my end to buy, but based on the fact that I have to look at my general expenses, I have to really tighten down and say, no, I am not going to buy this time. No, you will not buy. It's based on the fact that you have to save money instead of buying gear. I will not buy, but the light is very tempting to buy because the price is very good for $49 and it's on sale. And I have these little lights I bought from B&H before, and it's these little nifty little lights, and they're RGB, and it's quite tempting. I might just end up buying it by the end of this video. Who knows? So are you like me that constantly get this impulse to buy gear? I'd love to find out what your experiences are. B&H, I think I need to unsubscribe to your Deal Zone. But then again, I have gotten the best deals out of my gear, and I've made use of them throughout the years. Even though they don't come in handy for the first month or so, eventually these gears get in use. But I have bought some that I've never used for quite some time, like my drone. I paid $799 for it, and I have not used my drone, and I should use it. And I bought a Red Rock, a rig. I need to actually use those. So what are your experiences in impulse buying? I'd love to hear what your thoughts on it are. Comment down below. Are you like me who does impulse buying? All right, I hope you like this video. If you have any questions, comment down below. Don't forget to smash that like button. I will see you on the next video. Peace. Are you like me? Every night you come across a notification